Welcome to this video. Many of you have asked me for my opinion on Solvly AI, so let's get straight to the point. The link is just below in the description with an exclusive discount. Solvly AI, in my opinion, is the best school assistant powered by artificial intelligence. All you have to do is take a photo of your exercise, and you'll receive a step-by-step solution. It's fast, clear, and effective. Whether it's for mathematics, physics, chemistry, languages, or even history and geography, everything is covered. The pricing is very affordable. We're talking about $4.83 per month if you choose the unlimited annual subscription. And right now, there's even a 3-day free trial. Plus, with my promo code AVIS20, you get an additional 20% discount. The link and the code are available in the description. What I really like about Solvly is that the interface is smooth. It works just as well on mobile as it does on desktop. And most importantly, the answers are detailed yet easy to understand. You save time, you progress, and you stay independent. I've been using it for over a year now, and honestly, I highly recommend it. And if it doesn't suit you, you can get your money back. There's absolutely no risk in trying it out. Solvly AI is, without a doubt, the best alternative to Photomath or traditional help forms. It's clearer, faster, and above all, more reliable. All the information is in the description. The link for the free trial, the annual offer, and the promo code. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to discover more useful tools. See you soon. See.